Poor blood circulation, cold feet, and hands. Here is how to solve your problem. People of all ages can experience circulation problems, and although poor circulation affects the entire blood flow, it usually first manifests in the extremities. In most cases, poor circulation comes as a result of weakened blood vessels and too much sitting. It may not signify that you are having some serious health issues, but it definitely is a warning sign that you must change something in your lifestyle. First, you need to increase your physical activity, but if you do not have enough time and energy to exercise regularly, the following pieces of advice will be of extremely benefit. Garlic. Garlic is an amazing vegetable with an endless list of health benefits. It improves blood circulation, reduces blood pressure, and prevents blood platelet accumulation. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition in 2006 found that garlic is extremely beneficial for cardiovascular health. Moreover, it prevents the formation of plaque buildup in the arteries, thus reducing the risk of atherosclerosis. Water. Adequate water intake is essential for proper body function. It hydrates your entire body, stimulates digestion, and improves nutrient supply to the cells. Water also alleviates elimination. If you've been working out, you may need to increase your regular water intake. According to nutritionists, an adult should drink between 1.5 and 2 liters of water a day. Ginger. Ginger, a staple in traditional medicine in India and China for thousands of years, can likewise lower blood pressure and improve circulation. In both human and animal studies, ginger has been shown to reduce high blood pressure, which negatively impacts blood flow. This remarkable root contains gingerols and zingerone, which have a warming effect on the body, and consequently improves blood circulation. Fish oil. Many studies have investigated the effects of omega-3 fatty acids on the heart and blood vessels. Researchers have found that consumption of fish oil can improve blood flow. Fish oils have been shown to decrease the growth of these plaques by preventing the buildup of cholesterol in the arteries. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper may help the circulatory system. It may help control blood flow, and ease symptoms of Raynaud's disease, helping blood flow. It may also strengthen the heart, arteries, capillaries, and nerves. Cayenne may also help to prevent infections. In addition, it alleviates symptoms linked to poor blood circulation, such as pain, headaches, cold feet, and tingling sensations in the legs. Essential ginger, cinnamon, and rosemary oil. Essential oils expand the capillaries, and in that way, they alleviate blood flow to the surface of the skin. The oil has a thermogenic effect on your body. However, note that you should read the instructions on the bottle before you start using the oils for massage. Ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba is extremely efficient in improving blood flow through capillaries, especially in the brain, which makes it an amazing brain enhancer. It is, in fact, a counter you can buy in the form of capsules or pills. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Do not forget to check out more videos, which will appear shortly.